welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone. Trendline Forex here with another video update on the results that we got from the Volatility Trading Expert Advisor. And all those results are based on a trading idea that we shared in the premium Telegram channel as well. All right, now I've just closed all of those trades. They were on Euro Aussie and I was holding those trades since Monday this week. All right, so for the past few days. So why did I decide to close those trades? Well, like I said, those trades were on Euro Aussie. Now, if we have a look at the economic calendar, it is Thursday today, and in less than an hour, about half an hour actually, we've got high impact news from the European Central Bank. So I don't really want to hold my trades during high impact news, especially for the euro. Not only that, but as you can see, we've got Good Friday today, we've got Good Friday tomorrow, and I guess this lack of activity that we had throughout this week will most likely carry on until Monday, Tuesday next week as well. All right, so the market isn't going to be that active and I don't really want to be holding those trades for much longer. So that's why I decided to close them about, I would say, about a couple of hours ago. Now let's go back to TradingView. So here is euro dollar. Now the idea here was that after this massive impulse to the upside, I wanted to see a little bit of a pullback and a continuation to the upside as well. All right, I think I mentioned this in one of my last videos here on YouTube as well. And by the way, if you want to receive daily updates on this setup here on euro dollar completely for free, all you have to do is to join our free Telegram channel. You can do that by following the links in the description below this video. Now, price was trading sideways and I've decided to have a look at Euro Aussie. Okay, so we've got very similar price action here. But here we have a much larger impulse. So this move right here, from the bottom of this move up to the highest point, we're talking about roughly about 1,500 pips to the upside. Right after that, we also had a pretty decent pullback, and I really wanted to see price going back to the upside, eventually breaking above this resistance. Now, I still have a bullish bias. Even though I closed my trades, I still think we're going to see a continuation to the upside. However, I still used the Volatility Expert Advisor to start entering long trades within this move right here. Okay, so I was only buying, and I've got a ton of positions which we're gonna go through in a second. But the idea here was that I'm gonna place my stop loss below this support. Okay, and then I'm going to be looking for price and expecting for price to continue to the upside. Okay, so I started loading many buy positions right here with the help of the Volatility Expert Advisor. So the idea of this video is to show you that even though my analysis is still not completed, all right, so because I am entering buy positions, so obviously if you do that manually, the only way that you're going to make money is if price actually goes to the upside, right? Well, you will see that I managed to get positive result, get some profit, and get out of all of my trades before that move even occurred. So how do you make money when your analysis is not even completed? Well, this is where the Volatility Expert Advisor comes. So this is the Euro Aussie. Let me just move my camera up here so you can see my account history better. Here is the Euro Aussie. This is the 5-minute time frame. Let's actually have a look at the 1-hour chart. I'm going to zoom out so you can see this is exactly the same price action here. I started buying on 14th of April, which is Monday this week, and I just closed all of my trades. Just going to zoom in a little bit. All of my trades earlier today on 17th of April. So I was holding those trades for the past few days, and as you can see, I'm just going to zoom in a bit so you can see how the Expert Advisor opens trades. Now, in this particular example, I set it up to enter long trades on every 2 pips move and close those trades on every 4 pips. So that's why we've got a ton of positions. As you can see, many trades right here. Every time price creates a move of 2 pips, we enter a buy position. Every time price reaches 4 pips, it hits TP on each one of those trades individually. So that's why we've got that many trades open and closed. So I'm actually going to extend this window right here so we can have a look at the results that we got for the past couple of days, for the past few days actually. So you can see 14th of April right here, each one of those trades 0.01 lots, a ton of positions right here. I'm going to scroll all the way down and we've got a result of 227 euros. And that is without the analysis even being completed, all right? Like, same thing again. If you are trading manually, you cannot do that, because what will happen is you enter a buy position right here, okay, and you're just before high impact news release, all right? So now you have to decide whether you want to accept the loss and get out of your position, or stay in your trade and hope that price will actually go to the upside in order for you to make profit, right? Now, me personally, if I have to be honest, if I was trading this manually and I had a long entry right here, I would probably close my trade into a loss and wait for the news to pass so I can then eventually look for more entries, right? But with the help of the Volatility Expert Advisor, you now have the full flexibility to decide whether you want to stay in that trade or close it. And as you can see, I decided to close my trade. I don't want to take that risk and hold all of those trades during high impact news. And I not only got out of my positions, but I actually managed to make profit. And without even seeing the market going to the upside, even though all of those trades were long positions. All right. So hopefully you get what I mean. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for next week. Maybe have a look at Monday, Tuesday. Check out the chart on Euro Aussie again. If I have another chance to again use the Volatility Expert Advisor, I will do that. We also have more trading opportunities that we are sharing in our premium Telegram channel, not just on Euro Aussie, but some other instruments as well, including gold, Bitcoin, pound dollar, and so on. So if you want to join the premium Telegram channel, you can get in touch with us, or you can go over to our website, trendlineforex.com. But most importantly, if you want to take advantage of the Volatility Trading Expert Advisor, again, check it out on our webpage, trendlineforex.com. I'm actually going to post a link in the description below this video as well. You can click on there and you can learn more about this tool, because you can now get your hands on it. We've just released it to the public after more than 2 years of testing. All right. And we've actually released a completely free course related to the Expert Advisor, how to use it, what kind of strategies to use it with, and everything that you need to know about the Expert Advisor before you actually start using it. So I would recommend for each one of you who's interested into using the Volatility Expert Advisor to check out the free course first, and whatever kind of questions you guys have, you can always get in touch with us. So let me know in the comment section down below whether you think this would help you with your trading, and I'll see you guys in the next video.